Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Ford Escape. The Escape delivers all the essentials for daily driving with a choice of two efficient engines, intuitive infotainment systems, and a spacious interior. While the base engine meets basic needs, it could benefit from refinement. Entry-level trims feature some cost-cutting materials, but upgraded trims provide a more premium feel. For those seeking a greener option, hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions are available to help save on fuel costs. The 2026 Ford Escape continues to refine its offerings, focusing on practicality and comfort. New features and upgrades enhance its value, with trim levels providing options for both budget-friendly buyers and those looking for more luxury. The 2026 Escape boasts a stylish and spacious cabin, making it a comfortable ride for both front and rear seat passengers. However, lower trims feature some less-than-premium plastic panels, which might disappoint those seeking a high-end feel. ST-Line and Platinum trims. These trims elevate the interior experience with higher-quality materials and finishes. Seating, textured cloth upholstery comes standard, while the Platinum trim features convincing faux leather seats for an upscale touch. Cargo space. Behind the rear seats lies a generous cargo area, capable of accommodating up to 8 carry-on suitcases, perfect for family trips or grocery runs. The non-hybrid Escape offers a choice of two powertrains, starting with a 181 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine that can be had with either front or all-wheel drive. The base Turbo 3 gas engine, while somewhat grumbly and unrefined, provides adequate acceleration. Upgrading to the 250 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder is the compelling choice and nets standard all-wheel drive. Both gasoline engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The price of the 2026 Ford Escape starts at $29,645 and goes up to $39,605 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.